Oh, shoot. It actually made it up here. Just wait here. Wait here just a second. There we go. Alright, we're good. Alright, 21. Acquired target. Oh, I missed. Hello and welcome to the Musty Game Dev. I'm here with another video. We love games and we love game development. I'm here in Unreal Editor for Fortnite and I'm in my playground island, which I'm actually trying to work on here. Slowly building it out and trying to finish this thing. And I don't think I explained it very well last week, but yeah, I'm trying to build a Dominion map. I believe that's what it's called. Nope. Domination. A domination type of map, but it's a cooperative domination map where you fight against NPCs. And in this case, mainly just zombies. So I already had the first area kind of working. So I'm working on the second area. Built this little I don't know, kind of stable, part of a stable, kind of a barn with no second roof. I don't know, not the greatest, but I built this out of little small parts, the prefabs and stuff that they have already for you here in Fortnite, which is really cool. I already have this landscape here, and so now I just need to connect this. Let's see here. The destruction. Actually, wait. Let's see. Where's my... Oh, I need my second capture area. That's what I need. I thought I had two. Nope. Just the one. Interesting. Alright, so I'm going to do Control D. I'm going to duplicate that one. So I want to keep the same settings for capturing as with the first one. Move this over here. And I'm just going to move this under NPC area 2. Okay, I thought I did that earlier. I had to delete it because I made a mistake. But anyways, that is good there. All right. And then do a file save all. And then let's go into the code here. So this is not the best, most professional way to code this, but I'm just trying to, just trying to get something working. So we're gonna copy this part here, and instead of it first creature spawner, second creature spawner. Oh wow! And then instead of first capture area, or we'll have first capture area. Now we're gonna have the second capture area. Yeah, so there definitely is a better way to go about this, but for now, just to get this up and running, we'll definitely do it this way. And then we'll kind of just copy the same flow. So the first capture area is disabled, so also disable the second capture area at the beginning of the game. And then when, let's see here. Yeah, we'll want to create a second tracker as well. that's the second tracker. And yeah, we'll just leave here a comment saying first NPC area, or that could get annoying with the naming stuff. NPC area number 1, NPC area number 1. Okay, cool. And then actually separate this as well. Put this over here. That was from an old tutorial. And then we'll have NPC area 2. And we'll just copy paste all this stuff. Yeah, this just, ooh. Yeah, we gotta organize this code later, but we're just gonna create a whole bunch of the same functions all over again. That, yeah, that could be annoying, but we'll deal with that later. Yeah, I will comment this out. For now, we will not be doing another accolade, but we will add those later. All right. And then we'll copy all 3 of these and paste them. Okay, cool. Second tracker. Second cache area. Second creature spawner. All right, man, a lot of copying and pasting. And then, not trying to go to fab. Go to verse, build verse code. Actually, we got all green, just double checking here. Let's do a save all. And then let's do a build verse code. All right, cool. And then let's go down. Yeah, let me just create another folder. Not there, not there. That's devices or custom devices folder. Let's just keep things organized here. Okay, so we got our game manager device, which is right there. And let's actually put it up here. No reason to leave it on the ground. There we go. All right. I'll save all. Alright, so second creature spawner based on NPC area number 2. This creature spawner number 5. I think we could just pick actually right here, maybe? Nope, that's not how it works. Okay. And then second tracker, we actually don't have a second tracker. There's our first tracker. Okay, so let's see here. Let's duplicate this. Tracker number 2. Move it over here. And instead of going for 10, let's go for 20. Eliminations. And for now, we'll assign on game start. And then we'll say, instead of claim the fortress, like claim the valley. And then I guess, yeah, I guess the way it works is going to be more like globally. So yeah, we'll say 30. Yeah, we'll do that. Then go up here to Game Manager. Set the second tracker to Tracker 2. And then the capture area 2. And we're not adding another accolade. We'll do File, Save. And then, let's see. So the way the code works, we subscribe to all these events, but we're still calling the old functions. So let's not do that. So the second creature spawner, when an eliminated event happens, is going to call on creature eliminated second spawner, which will say this, and then the second tracker will increment right there. So this should tie to only creatures that get killed from the second creature spawner. So even though it will be up there, it should only increase towards the goal of 30 when you kill zombies from the second spawner. So that's going to be key. That's going to be key. And then just so that the playtesting goes a little bit easier, there are other creature spawners that get activated. Unfortunately, because they're like so close range or something like that. So let's see. Let's decrease that range. And the spawn distance. Yep. Let's do that. Okay. Let's file save for that as well. Going back to the code here. So the second tracker, when the second wave has been completed, then the second capture area will be enabled, and you can finally capture it. Then when it's scored or captured, then it will destroy that second creature spawner. Okay, now the other thing were the item spawners. And I think that was done outside the code here. So going to the first NPC area. I feel like something got activated. On areas scored. Yep. These item spawners. Okay. So we want to do something similar, or actually the exact same thing for NPC area 2, for capture area 2. Let's see, how did I do it for the first one? There we go. So spawn an item when capture area 2 is scored. Nice. Yeah, cool. All right. I think this is ready to test. So the goal would be you capture the first area, and you need to capture the valley. And to destroy this, because it's just gonna keep spawning, I think the max is set to 100. So you gotta kill 30 creatures. Now it's gonna be a lot harder. This is definitely a cooperative map. I'm gonna see what I can do to destroy 30 zombies. That part might have to get cut from the video because it might take me too long. But then the goal should be that, you know, this is destroyed, and probably need to have some kind of UI or like a flag going up or something. To signify you captured the area. That's probably a good, probably a good idea. Take that directly from Fortnite. But yeah, let's push these changes, and then see if like the general framework is working.
2,000 years later.
All right, we're dropping in. So we start with like our general pickups here. Get some more ammo. Okay, so my first tracker went, and now my second tracker's appeared. So it's interesting how they did the UI there. I know it's being blocked by game mode in progress, unfortunately. Alright. Cool, got some good item drops here. And the item drops are nice. They create like a little sense of randomness. I have to play with those numbers to see how they, how they do. So yeah, I can't see the description of the goal. Oh, there's our NPC. He did go to a spot. Very cool. And I'm gonna have to build a map like I did for Desert Acorn, and some points of interest. Alright. So I killed 8. And I don't have to kill them all, I just need to kill enough. Ah, got this little... Oh, that was kind of an accident. Oh, shoot. Always one. Where are they going? Where are they going? Come on, all together now. Oh, that wasn't enough. Oh, shoot. They actually made it up here. Just wait here. Wait here just... There we go. Alright, we're good. Alright, 21. Makes those funny little noises. And these zombies are a little tougher. Alright, so I just need 7 more. Oh shoot, okay. Alright, but the capture area has been enabled. I just need to capture it. And then now, no more of these after I kill these guys, which are a lot tougher. There we go. Murderous zombies. Alright, cool. Logic is working. And then the little reward for me should be a new item. Okay, cool. A railgun. I don't know how powerful that thing is. Looks like a zombie got stuck. Gotta make sure not to have it spawn through walls. I don't know where you. I don't know where you are, zombie, but I hear your cries. Okay, so the zombies over there. They did. Oh, they did get activated. Good, 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 good. And then this is supposed to be kind of like the end goal. We're supposed to attack this fortress at the end. So there's obviously a lot harder zombies as well. Oh shoot. Usually don't get this far. So I step closer here. The big ones show up. And that barely does a dent to the big ones. Oh shoot. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. That is scary. Yeah, I'm supposed to get to this fortress and essentially do the same thing but on a larger scale that you've been doing, you know, from over there in the valley. There's like a spot over there with some NPCs that are supposed to be friendly to you that could help you out. And I have this extra green area that I haven't quite figured out what I want to do there. So that's essentially it. Now, obviously, you can run from them, but you gotta capture area, right? And to capture area, you need to kill a certain amount of them to do so, and then that will allow you to capture area. Once you capture this area, then the game is technically over. But these are scary, scary zombies. Let's see how my weapons do against these guys. Oh, shoot. Time to die. Alright, so that's the game so far, and thanks for watching. Musty game dev. Ugh, it's musty in here.